In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a clothing transition within Instagram Reels. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Wonderful Lida, a digital course video producer based in Vancouver, Canada. I teach video production to service providers so that they can film once to teach many. If you have a course idea and want to learn how to film yourself, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have new videos out every Wednesday. So I've got my shot all set up and I'm going to transition from wearing this blazer to not wearing the blazer. Main thing you have to figure out is which transition you're going to do between your shots. Your transition can be anything you want it to be. It could be a finger snap, it could be a head turn, it could be an armband, it could be a jump, any kind of movement you can use to transition between them. It could be your eyes looking up, whatever you want it to be. So decide what you're going to use for your transition. In this video, I am going to use, what's something fun I could use? Okay, so I've decided I'm going to do a head turn. Head turns have become my new favorite thing, so let's do a head turn. So to do it, you're going to start by filming your clip before the transition. So you want to do something and then you want to end your clip with the transition. I really like using the timer when I'm filming my clips because this allows me to get into place and set up before I start filming. So you'll see the timer right at the bottom, right there. All you gotta do is click on it and then it allows you to set your timer. You can change the duration right here by clicking on that 3 seconds. You can change it to 10 seconds or back to 3 seconds. I usually like to keep my timer on for the full duration because I'm just gonna stop it once I get my movement. So set timer. That was really quick. Let's stop that. Let's preview that. Okay. Once I'm turning, my hair is in motion. I'm going to want to clip that clip there. There we go. And now I'm going to go and change my outfit. I'm just going to take this blazer off just for simplicity. And so you can see now I have no blazer on, so my outfit is different. So it's a clothing change. And what I'm going to do is go back to that timer, set that timer. One thing that can help you here, if you want to have your clips look very similar so you're the same size in all of them, is the Align tool. So it only appears after you filmed your first clip and it's going to be on the bottom of your menu down here. So if I click on it, I can see that last clip overlaid on top of the current video. So if I line myself up, I can make it the same. So I'm going to do my timer. There we go. Let's stop that. And then I can go into my clip. So I want to trim that so it's movement. And then let's trim the end of that. And let's preview that. How's it look? Awesome. So you can see that it transitioned from one outfit to another quickly and easily. You can choose these kind of transitions with clothing, with background. Anytime you want to change something between one shot and another, I suggest just figuring out what kind of transition you're going to be doing between them and then make sure that they look smooth. If this didn't look smooth, I could always go back, so press the back button and then click on the clips and then click on the individual clip that I want to adjust and then the scissors. And then I can adjust it so that it matches it better. So I can trim that. Let's go to this other clip. Let's trim this. Maybe make it a little bit longer. Let's see what that looks like. That looked a little slow. What you're basically doing is you're going to be going back and forth and fine-tuning just so that the transition actually looks good and that you don't have too much a pause between one and the other. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, or better yet, give me a comment below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. I have new videos out each and every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!